Alright, so here is how I got a free 1K from XPIPS, a free $1,000 account from XPIPS. Now this is like how I got the $1,000 account, the free 1K account. Now you can see it's free entry, real account, capped payouts, one per person. That's only one person can use one account. Now the challenge rules: account size is $1,000, the leverage is 1.30, that will be 1:30. The max drawdown is 8%, the daily drawdown is 4%. Now the payout rules: now it says earn at least $80 in profit, then withdraw up to $10 total. This is not this. I think this is not the right information, but I'll update you later. Now, step one: signing up. You put your first name, put your last name, then put your Gmail. Then you select your state, your country. I'll search it, Nigeria. Then you put your phone number, +234. And after inputting your phone number, you click on activate free challenge. Now this is your dashboard. This is your login. You can see your account ID, your password, and your server. Just copy these infos and put it in your MT5, because it supports MT5. So I'll just screenshot this. Then after signing up, you can just go to your email, which you see they'll send you a message. Then you see this login URL, then you click it. Your password will be below the URL. This is your password, your temporary password is below the URL, which you click this to log in. So when you click the link on your Gmail, then you put your email and put your password, then you log in. Remember to change the password, because the password you are using to log in now is temporary, so change it. Thank you.